Right here to go straight down. Now, come on, let's go. They got plenty of room on this, guys. I mean, plenty of room to push. They can really smoke this thing. And they're underneath the bull level. The bull level is 56. Well, it's 58, I think, somewhere in that area. But let's go. Slowly trickling. All they're doing is using the war as an excuse to push this market way back down into January's area, first of the year. So all the gains from the first of the year are pretty much, the gains from February are gone. February, March, and April, those are done. They're toast. They are out. Because now you're working on January, you're working right here off of January 22nd candle. So you're already in the Januaries. We could lose. I mean, they could push this. If they push this down forward to the 1st of January, everything from the 1st of January, the stocks that people in the stock market, and their stocks is gone. They lose everything they had. This is a good way to get money out of. This is a good way to wreck a stock account. The tech market. People invested in tech this year, and it's just cleaning house, sucking up their earnings. And this is what, June contracts, right? Yeah, so it figures. Because we know that April's usually not a big down month, but they're just using this war excuse to clean this market out, taking big ass money. You can't take investor money, just let a market just crash one day over something silly. You need a catalyst. And when people come out with a war, there's your catalyst right there to get Americans to believe it. Oh my God, this war is going to hurt us. And all of a sudden, bam, market just absolutely tanks. Takes all the money and they can't complain because they heard it on the news, right? What's the goal? What's the goal, guys? What's the goal for these big guys on Wall Street? What's their goal? To pay money from your pocket to theirs. So that's the goal. Makes perfect sense to me, but hey, what do we know? We're just day traders, right? All right, guys, so he comes back up and pulls 56 again now. So we're probably just going to have to close this thing if it don't come back down. I'm just going to let it run probably anyway, but still, I don't know what they're doing here. This is ridiculous. You had a chance to push it, and you're sitting right there now at the bull level. That is a bull level, 58, guys, 56, 58. That's where the bulls are. They've been there for a while. They're going to take it back to 69 now. So we go back to 69 here, and we try to push 69 right back to 80. Well, yeah, 69, 64, 69, 87. Now you got to worry about the 90. Oh, man, what are we doing over here? Get over there. Because, see, this don't count anymore. It's up there at the 90. Okay? That's all that matters to the Bulls. The funny thing about this is you're playing in an area, guys, and I'll show you over here on this other chart, on the 5 minute. It's 40, about 50. I think it's like 45 to like 55, 56. So I think it started at like 45 or some shit, but it's hard to say because they got this thing so stupid looking over there. See, I think it's about right here, about 46 actually, and it just runs up to right here, about 56, right there. This is where I was saying the Bulls were sitting at yesterday, the big bull area. It's a thin line. It's not very big, but it looks like to me, guys, it comes off the 45. And it goes right up to about the 56. And that's about right, about 45 to 56. So that bounce level's right there. That's a big green line sitting there. So we'll see what they do. Wow. So let's go, guys. Let's see what we can do with this. We're up about, what, 1,500 of the long? Anybody else making money? Anybody else getting it together this morning? Remember, guys, spread the word that we do have the file. So we just got to get with Kimber to get the file done. We do have the update file in the contract, so that won't be lasting, but probably today. Or maybe not even today. If we can get it fixed this afternoon or whatever, we'll try. But I doubt it'll be fixed. It'll probably take a while to code it and all that again. But we got the file. So we are going to take care of that issue. All right, guys, we can break 90. Where we go? 90 goes to 526. Can we get 90 to go to 526? Remember, guys, we have a room that shows you all our settings. I might think a multiplier of 4. I think mine's 4, and I'm not sure if mine's 4, 20, 20, 20, 20, or if mine's 2, 20, 20, 20. I can't remember which one it's on.
4, 20, 20, 20.
Yeah. Mine's all 4. Yeah.
5. I put one of mine on 5 because it was crazy part last night.
Yeah, mine's right. Mine's on 420s. Multiplier 4, everything else is 20. So let's go. Let's come up here about this 92 now, because this has changed to 92 here. I get kind of finicky with this little stupid thing here, man. So I'll just put this line right there because I can't seem to grab the arrow, so I'll just use the line. It's 92 and up, guys. They got to hold 92 here, but we're good. We got a good trade going here. I like it got 67 because that's beautiful, because 67 is right past 64, and 64 is a level. So that makes perfect sense. It's right there. See 64? And this ain't a level here, guys. 92 is not a level. It's just something we're using to say we got a break. You know what? I'm just tired of missing that stupid line right there. It won't leave me alone. It's right there at 92. There you go. Now let's go 526. Come on, let's run. 526 would be good for us. Let's go. Come on. I ain't worried about the 6 contract. I don't worry about the 6, guys. I'm in this with like 14. So we're good. You know? All I want to do is get 26.33. That's what I'm looking for. I got to step up 95 now. Okay? You've got to stay above this right there. That's all you need to know. You got to stay above that 95 level right there, guys. Hey, man, where did the little arrow go we had? Is it right there? Nope. But there's a secondary one right here, guys. It's 70. Right about there. And then you got this one down here. So as long as we hold 95, it bounces there. We might come under a little bit of 95. It's not a big deal. Because you got 87 down here. That's a level. So 87 right here, guys. This is a level, okay? It's actually almost 88 right there. So it's right there. So she's trying to go short right there at our level. It don't make sense to go short there, but it did. Well, I mean, it does because it's a big, massive level 87. That's a good pullback level. But 87 tries to go to 72 here. And then 72, tries to come back. So now you're messing with this secondary level right here. Right there. Around 72. Okay? It's right in there. Right there. And then the other one goes back down to the bull line. Down here. Around 55, 56. So see, you got to break 57 anyway down here. So you would have to come this one, or you're going to come back this, and that. But see, this one is a level. This one's not. This is an arrow level, and this one's it's not a level either. These two are not levels. They're just places I know that we're playing it. This is the level. These are the reaction areas. Because now we got to break where? We don't got to break 895 anymore because this drops. This now drops to about right here. Just about 86, right before our 87 level. So we're just playing stupid little games back and forth. It's okay, Tom. It's quite all right to say you're being wimpy and just taking trades here and there. Dude, that's the way you're going to do it. If it was me and I didn't know this system and I was just getting it for the first time today or yesterday, I would just take the one contract trades, get out, reset it, and do one contract again. That's exactly what I would do. Because as soon as this one here gets done, I'm going to just turn it back and kill all of them and start over. That way you guys can see those one contract trades that we're looking for. But you just gotta learn it, guys. Just put your settings on. This is going to go down again, more than likely. This is ridiculous, man. Let's just go south again. Yeah, you just take the money and run, guys. As soon as this thing shows you the money and you're happy with it, take it. Because you've got plenty of other days. You got other times. There's going to be more trades. So if you see $1,000, man, grab that crap. Just like walking outside a convenience store and there's a wallet on the ground with $1,000 in it with no name, no driver's license. What are you going to do? You're probably going to keep it. So, you know what I'm saying? If you're walking through the park and there's $1,000 blowing in the wind, you're probably going to keep that $1,000 blowing in the wind. And that's what this is. It's $1,000 blowing in the wind. Just close it. Take the profits and close. Because, if you're on your sim, don't matter. Let it run. Just watch it. Get used to it, how it works. If you're having trouble with it, put it on a higher time frame. Put it on the 15-minute. It's easier to manage on the 15. Look at the trade on the 15-minute. We're still in the long. I'm still in this over here, okay? Even though I'm in this. Because I'm not getting out of this long because I'd be crazy to. 3 o'clock this morning, you got a long sitting here. You're still in this long. This is a pullback of the long. So if you're struggling, guys, put it on a 15-minute. You will really catch a lot of good trades on the. Now you're going to have to be up early because sometimes it'll take trades at 3 o'clock in the morning, and it's still going. And here it is, almost 10. It's been 7 hours long. See this long here? It's 7 hours. But what are we going to do with this long? We already know what we're going to do because all you do is take a line and draw it. You got this candle right here before the long, which is about right here. You see this? There it is. I know exactly where that break's going to be. See, they should be going short right there instead of where they went short. But see, we don't have to worry because our algo knows, our AI knows where to go short. It's down here, 480 and pushing. Because let's see, we're under 57, which is the bull level. But the problem with this is what? We already see it on the screen. Here. This. You guys see the two X's that mark the spot on the 15 minutes, Steve? You see it? X marks the spot there and there. See it?
Yep.
You just got to know what you're doing with this stuff, guys, and it takes a while to learn all this stuff. But I'm telling you, if you guys are struggling with it, 15-minute, man. 10 or 15. Either 10, even the 5 does pretty good, but I would stay on the 10 or 15-minute time frame. You can also, I think, put it on 12-minute. I think you can have a...
It was the 12, that's what I use.
Yeah, you can put my 12-minute, my favorite time frame. Do you see how we're playing here, though, guys? This is like, this is this area right here that you're playing, and you want to break this to come down to these levels, right? But you want to break this to get above this level, 64. And see, 64 is on our screen right here. Well, it was. It's supposed to be over here. But it was on our screen, but we keep moving stuff around here. But 64 is an area where we got to stay above. 64 and 87, right? So they keep taking trades around the 60-64 area, but the reason why is because the bull line. They're still trying to stay above the bull line. They really want to stay above the bull line. I can get my lines right. This damn line is not so dang big on my screen. I'm just trying to get rid of that damn thing. All right, let's go over and get rid of this. There you go, crosshairs. Small little crosshair. Solid line. There you go. Now we got it. It's 56. 43. So it does come to 43. So yeah, this comes right to 43 like we thought. Right about there. And that goes to 56 up through here. So you guys see this right here? This is bulls. All bulls. This ain't nothing but bulls. Ta-da! What the hell are you doing? Get over there. There you go. B-U-L-L. Bull line. These people don't realize it's the bull line of the market because they ain't going to tell you this is what's going on here, but there it is. There's your bull line. These people don't even know it's even there. I know, man. Sometimes I have a 40-minute work week, 5 minutes a morning, 3,000-4,000 a day. I work 40 minutes, traded 40 minutes in the whole week. It's hilarious. You're working 40 hours, I'm working 40 minutes. I want to tell people this is awesome, man. But it takes a while to learn and get used to. But that's why we teach. Because people cannot learn this. If you get stuck in the same routine and you start making bad habits, you'll always repeat. So you have to get out of there. You have to find somebody who can get you out of those bad habits to get you new habits. and then it becomes a whole complete life change, and everything just comes together, and you start really making money. So we go 71, guys, pullback. If not, we're going to be back under that bull line, back under that 57 area, 56. We're trying to hold the bull line. Can we hold it and go? You guys can still at 15-minute too. See over here? We're holding above the box. My vision is not as good as it used to be. So it's kind of like right there, I think, now. I like this one, but really I kind of like that one better. That's, to me, it just seems to be more of where I need to be and not where I want to be. That's one thing about trading too, guys. See you Monday. It's where you need to be in trading and not where you want to be in trading, because it's where I need to be on the screen for a trade and not where I think I want to be on a screen, because it ain't where you want to be. Most of the time, is everybody says, "Oh, the gut feeling." That's bullshit. A gut feeling is like, I have a gut feeling it's going to go up. Yeah, well, that could happen to anybody. I can have a gut feeling all day, but your gut feeling is going to be right about 3% of the time. Especially when you're playing a market like this one, where you have the 84 to 57 is just a joke, okay? Let me show you guys right here. We'll take this level right here, right? And let's go right here to we can always move this too. So let's go to 84 right here. Let's just take 84 and go to there. And there's your problem. That box is your problem. And they know this is the problem for most people. They ain't going to let us, they're not going to tell you, hey, 84 to 57 is a real problem. Because they want that to be the problem. Because people are going to trade right here. And they're absolutely going to get murdered. Because what is it doing? Look. What's it doing, guys? Laying in the same area. Yeah, but what do you say? I got a gut feeling for Taco Bell. Oh, that's me. I got a gut feeling after I go to Taco Bell. All right, let's go. See how they're playing, guys? Look where they went to the top of, 84. Look where the bottom is. 57. They want you to get caught up in this mess right here. They want you to entice people to trade this. And look at the 5-minute. Absolutely murder. You guys see it? You guys awake today? Response? Somebody? Is my microphone working, Steve?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Well, I thought maybe I was asleep on me or something. I feel like I'm alone today. I know you guys are trying to figure that. I know they're trying to watch this and figure it out too, so I can understand. Yeah, you're right. Shit show. Yeah, it was fire, man. It was a good one. We just got to get to 50. You got to get it to hold under that 56 box. See, we got, and what's really weird is it's 84 now. See, they'll drop this 84 on purpose right here, guys. They'll run this right down to here to entice people to right here. They'll narrow it down to like 74 now. Okay, right in this area, because they want to move this box down. Remember the one that trails us? This is the top of that little area that will trail down or up all day. So this one here is these two are not going to change today. They're going to change in And as far as the numbers go, but these two levels aren't moving. Like they'll be somewhere in this area all day long. And they might go a little higher than 90, or they might even come down to 40s or 30s. But right now it's sitting right where it's at, and it's making the market crazy. And everybody's trying to trade this short and trade the longs, and they're taking the balance right here off 55. That's that bull level sitting right there. That's the bull line. The top of the bull line sitting right there around 56, 55. And they know it. It's like between 55 and 57 is that bull line. So every time it comes down to the bull line, what does she do? Tries to bounce off the bull line. They're having a hard time getting these bulls out of the way. I would expect, guys, you can see at any moment, you got to be careful here, because this bull line could get nasty and jump straight up 30, 40 points until these bears decide to get under it and stay under it. It's a dangerous place to trade. Yeah, I'm going to put a micro in mine, I think, too. It'll be fun. Let a micro just run, you know? 2 micros and let her go. All right, so can we get back down again? Because that's all we're doing, guys. We're just trying to stay underneath the bull area. It's crazy. I think we're at the bottom of it right now. Yep, 43. That's the bottom of the bull line. I think it's 43 right there. Right here. It's like right there. It's in that 43 area. The bottom of it's 43 and the top of it's like, 55. So 55, 57. So it's just kind of weird right here. See, that's right here. It's kind of like right there. Right there. That's weird. Let's take this here. Come right here. And go to right there. There. This is your bull line right here. This little box. Right there. That's your bull area. That matches this one. And this one is the play area. Backstreet Kids. Yeah, they can't really call the Backstreet Boys no more. I mean, I never really cared for them. I always thought they were called the Backdoor Boys. I never really cared for them that much anyway. I think it was funny when Eminem would come out and said, I come out to destroy you boy bands. It was hilarious. Yeah, they're a bunch of old geezers now. Singing ketchup commercials or some shit. It's like all these other bands in the 80s, man. I love 80s rock. But guys, it's time to give it up. You know, you don't need a tour no more. I mean, you're 60. It's time the tour's over, you know? It's ridiculous. You're not going to be... Van Halen couldn't jump that high off the ground now if he tried. He'd break something, like a hip or something, you know? A song jump. Yeah, might as well jump, yeah. Give me a ladder, one of those step ladder little things you can jump off of, because he ain't jumping anywhere. I don't keep up with them much, but it's ridiculous. I'm not talking about Eddie Van Halen, I'm talking about the singer, David Lee Roth, doing his wild backflips and shit on stage. He couldn't do a backflip now if he tried. Unless Steve and Papa held him. You know? Here, hold me, dude. Hold my beer and watch this shit. You know? Tom and Dave.
Israel's response to Iran was don't. They weren't planning a retaliatory attack.
Yeah.
Israel responded with just one word, don't.
Yeah, well, they better not play with Israel because, you know, Israel's one of these countries that people have underestimated because their military aircraft and their pilots are really, really good. And they'll level that damn place. Come on, boys, let's go short. Going to get down to 408 now, guys, finally. Well, 412. Remember I told you guys 412 this morning? We're going to try to push that 412. Let's go. We just got to stay on 26. 26 and go. We got down to almost 12, I think. This candle actually came to 12. Yeah, actually came to about, I think it's about 15. Should be getting down there to 12. 11, 12, and 8. But, you know, it's kind of stupid this morning, so we'll see. See how they come under the bull line and shot it down? Like I said, you got to be on the bull line. Yeah, that YM trade is massive over here, guys, in the 15-minute. This is a beautiful thing right here. Look where it went long at. Midnight. It's been long since midnight, so 37,612. And it's at 38,216. So that's a massive move. There we go. Look at this massive come down. Here we go. Let's go to 12. Like I said, there's 12 right there. Just tapped it. We just tapped the 12. Now we try to go down to the 12 to the 8. See the 12 in my box up there, guys, on the 15? We just tapped it. Beautiful. Now we just try to establish this to hold. This short will play out now probably even further down. We just got to get through the 12, break the 12 down there, get to the 8, get to the 376, and we're good. And you're not going to get pullbacks because that's part of the problem today. It's just a pullback bunch of crap today. So you're going to pull back all the way up to like 35, 36. Stay in the 35, 36 area. If you don't pull back there, it's going to pull right back to 47. If it pulls back to 47, she'll pull back to 45. So you want to stay under 47 and you want to stay under 33. But right now, we just had to watch it and be dumb for a while. They got down there, now they can't do anything with it. That's ridiculous. But I still think she's going to hold 35 short, so we'll see. As long as I hold 35, guys, 33, 35, 37, they'll keep trying to push this down. Because this is supposed to be coming down like big time. But right now, we're just kind of screwed around till these bears actually break this 11 and get under the 11 and actually get down to about 8. They need to get 8. That's what they need to do. They need to get 8 and run this. If you can't get 8, it'll never happen. Yeah, I do like the RTY trade this morning also. I can't figure out why I lost it over here, but I can't seem to get this thing to come back on my damn screen either. Where'd you go? There you are. Thank you. There we go. See, I don't even need the screen. I can just go by the AI. All right, boys, can we get down to 12 and 8 again? Let's do this. Ridiculous. One thing I've noticed about this, guys, there's always one chart that you can look at, and there's something that always makes a big move in this. Well, this is crap. Just sit around and just crap. But make your mind up, man. Go south or go north or whatever. I can't stand a market that just sits around and does nothing. You would think, oh, it's a big. They bombed them. Okay, the bombing's over. So let's go back up now, or you just go back down where you came from. We already know you want to go to the 290 anyway, but it's ridiculous because they're going to run this market. They're either going to run this market down here, guys, to 295 or 290, or they're going to run this market back up to 533. That's exactly where we're going, one or the other. And they might be just trying to take you down here to as far as they possibly can to get that big rip to go back up. Because 560 is the target right now up north after you get 30. So it's 33 and 60 top. Then 581. And then you've got from 581 to 560 to 533. Those are the three big targets up north. The south targets are 376 and 295 and 290. And then, of course, 236, 224, 218. So, 214. But you got some targets down there that they could really slap around if they wanted to. But I think all it was is trying to get under the bull line to establish a foothold to see if they can slam this thing back down where it came from last night. So we'll see. Hey, we're in a short, so this short goes to 376 and breaks it, it's over with. Okay, if it just comes to right here, right there, right there. Now, they don't know this. The retail don't know this, but we do. It's right there. That's the level they want. Boom. Done. Yeah, once we get the update, we have the update file. I just got to wait for Emery today. We'll probably do it after the market closes, guys. We should have it sometime out this weekend. But before the market opens Sunday night, we'll have the update done, okay? And it will be out for you guys to get. So we just got to bear through today. The update is done. I put it on the channels. So you guys watch the channel for the AI channel that we have on the Discord. That's why I kind of wanted to make our own Discord with it, so people would, it's not involved in all the Discord, because you'll get lost going in there. Nobody goes to Discord and reads. Yeah, it's going to be cool, man. Once the update's done, you won't have no problem with contracts anymore. We're going to test it and see. Dang, Tom. Wait, what is that, Killer? Is that all your trades? That's freaking awesome, bro. There we are, guys. Look where we're sitting at. The 376. Killer, is that all off the AI? Man, that's awesome, bro. See, guys, this guy's like that right there. They're using it. That's going to be great for our community because he's going to help you also, like me and like everybody else. They tapped the 376, man, right on the money. That's hilarious. Crazy fools. Yeah, it's available, Danny. We can post you a link. Right there it is. It's like, man, Killer, that is really good, man. What's going to be funny is this competition, man. That's what we were talking about last night. It's like, oh, yeah, I guess the competition is going to get killed because somebody with the AI is going to probably kill it. It's all right, though. I get permission to use it, so I made this for us, and I don't care if a day trader wants to use it on my prop firm. You're allowed to, so it doesn't matter. What does family do? Help family, right? So you want your firm to be like a family for people. They want to, you want to make friends. You want to help each other make money. I think if you have people out there trying to help each other make money, you become a better company. That's right. Let's go to the 376 and blow the top off this thing, man. We didn't tap it once. I don't know why they don't go tap it again. Yeah. Thank you, T.O. I appreciate it, man. All right, guys, if we break this 376, get ready for this thing to come down. Because this is what the bears are hunting, 376 and lower. Because this is their big area. They really can take the market from the bulls. This starts them getting back to market, guys. This is where the bears can step in and say, we own it now. This is a bear takeover line. If they break that and come down, we might have this thing go to 290. You can see on the 5 minute, it's in a short on the 5 minute for 2,200. It's got one contract on the Rincos, and it's got two on the 5 minute. That's 376 right there is the key. And they know it. The bears know this is their line, guys. This is where they make a ton of money right here. Let's see this short? Look at this. See this short? There's the short. That's where we're at. Come on, let's go. 295. Let's go all the way down to the bottom, boys. It's actually right there. Let's go to the bottom of the 295. Well, we're killing it now. It's over with. That's friggin' awesome, man. Look at that shit. 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. That's like $10,000 or more on that picture, crypto. Killer, K Killer, so I'll start calling you. K Killer's done got 10,000 on the screen over there, guys. We're going to destroy these indicator people that sell these one little indicators for $800, or $1,000. You can get our whole system for $300. So you ain't paying $1,000 a month for some little indicator.
Well, it depends who you're buying it from, though. If you buy it from me, it's a little more.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we're going to make some other stuff for it. But yeah, whatever I make for this, guys, if I change things around, you'll get it. We'll make files and give it to you. Because I got a couple other ideas I'm going to put in here. I'm going to put there's going to be a cloud that comes in here, guys. It comes on your screen. I'm trying to get a tracking cloud built now, like an EMA tracking. So that'll be next. There's a lot of things we're working on with guesses. Like, okay, we can make it do this, we can make it do that. But I mean, we just wanted to. What we wanted to do is go into a trade, take the trade, bank the profits, and get out. Well, I try to keep the price fair, man, because I got so much money in it. But I mean, it cost a fortune to build this because of all the hours. I mean, I had to pay for every hour he was on this, and guys, he spent a lot of hours, 6 months. So. So I mean, hey, even if I broke even what I paid for it, it's still a good thing. It really ain't about making money off of it. It was about just if I can get my money back that I put in, I'm fine. It's just an accomplishment that I wanted to do. I wanted to put this out for people. That's the biggest thing for me is people can use this.
Frank, the stop losses will work, but remember, once it takes you out of the trade, it shuts the algo off, so you have to re-enable it.
On mine, it wasn't turning off the actual thing after I did my stop losses. The way that I had to make sure if you place a stop loss on the chart after it's in a trade, that you have your ATM strategy set to none. Because if you have an ATM strategy set, like 5 and 5 or something, it will automatically place the orders onto the chart. And if it moves quickly, you're going to end up in a trade you don't want to be in.
If you want, Steve, you can, if you want to do something like that later today, like at noon or something, I can quit streaming and you could show your stream and teach them that, That I could get back on after, you know what I mean? Can you hear me? Do you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Because if you don't know how to use it, guys, if you're struggling how to use it, it's not hard to use. I mean, you wait for it gets a buy or a sell, get in it, and to turn it on, if you want to take your money, guys, just go here. Just go there, or not go there, sorry. Go here to positions and close it. See? Close. Right? Just close it. We'll close it on the 5 minute over here, or whatever it was on. So just close it. Just close it, and you'll come back over here. Once you close it, you'll see right here on the strategy tab. See where it took all the NQs off? It took them all three. It closed all 3 positions. So if you got more than one chart on NQ, it's going to close them all. But if you got like a sim running with your account running, it's going to close both. But that's how you close it and reset it. See? So
once it calms down a bit, we've been testing all night long, most of us. So we learned a lot. So I'll add everything to the help section.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. Because I mean, guys, if you can manage to get this, like, look at Killer. He's not only had it since I think last night, and it's great. You just gotta come in here, let it make a trade. If it makes 1,000, take the money, man. Go over here and close that bad boy. I'm gonna go ahead and just close this one too. So see how I close it? So if I wanted to take this 590, boom, I can just close it and take it. And then when I go back to my strategy, boom, right here. Now when you go back to your account, you're gonna see the money in it right there. Like right here. You'll see like your profits or whatever. So that's what you do. You just take the money. This thing is this connection lost, I guess, for somebody. I don't think it was mine. Steve's backgrounds. He got some cool ones.
Yeah, we also figured out last night you can create trading hours for the algo, like real time trading, stuff like that.
Oh, you can?
Yep.
Cool, because that's what what Josh had asked yesterday. Well, I appreciate everybody who's got it, man. You guys are really awesome. And I think you guys will just stick with it. Don't give up, man. You're going to make money with this thing. And think about it. One big bear day or one big bull day that we have about twice a week, you are going to sit back and destroy the markets. You're going to make enough money those 2 days a week to not even be trading the rest of the week. And that's the thing.
And it was like 20, 25 of us on all night, and we beat the hell out of it and learned a lot.
Yeah, I just stuck with it, man. It's like Josh said yesterday, guys. This system is built on my way I trade. This is how I trade. This is built around my ideas of what I look for, how I trade, what my strategy is trading. You're looking at my strategy in my head on the screen because that's where it came from. And it's just something I wanted to share, but it took a long time to get it built. And I know people got frustrated, but I just want to make sure it worked before I gave it out for $300 a month for somebody, Because I'm the type of person, I'm just like you are. I'm not going to pay for something that don't work. So, I'm one of them picky consumer dudes. Tools, trading hours, you're there. See that, guys? Killer just posted that. Tools, right here.
Yeah, I put the pictures up above in the live chat, but it was completely his creation.
Trading hours. See this?
That'd be very helpful for a lot of people.
Yep. Very helpful. Alrighty. We're just doing our thing today. Market's stupid, but it's making money. We just got to stay at 376 and go. They broke the line. It's just time to run it down, man. The multiplier is just built into the strategy. It's part of running the strategy. I'm not going to explain everything about it. All it will do is either increase or decrease Dragon, your ability to speed it up or slow it down. Okay? If you want more trades, put it on a 2. You want less trades, put it on a 4. That's what you do with the multiplier. You want to see a bunch of trades, go to a 1 minute time frame and put it on a 1. And it will beat the crap out of you. Okay? But if you're going to put it on a higher time frame, you stick with 4. But Dragon, the best thing you can do is if you want to put it on a 2, multiplier 2 or 1, guys, you need to be on like maybe a 10-minute chart or something like that. If you want to go to multiplier of 1, guys, you need to be like 10 minutes. Because if you go to a Renko with a 1 multiplier, oh, geez, you're going to get 300 trades in a matter of like seconds. I mean, it's just going to kill you in trading. If you go to a 30-second chart with a multiplier of 1, guys, it's like a high-frequency trading. It'll probably take 200 trades in an hour. So that's what I mean by that, Dragon. So just remember, if you want to keep it to where you can really adapt to it, and to really get the full grasp of it, put it on a 4 and 4 on a 15 or a 10 or something like that, or on the Renzo or the Ninzo Renkos up there, 32 and 2 maybe, something like that. Don't go way down in those lower time frames. If you're going to trade like a 1 minute chart or try to scalp with this, I would suggest putting it on a bigger, maybe a 5. You can actually go to the 7 actually you can put your multiplier on anything you want to, but you got to also look at your 20s. Where you got your smoothing levels and all that. You can change those smoothing guys to higher. Like you can go to 35 on them or 50, but you just got to play around with it and see what you like. Personally, I like mine at 20. I like the 4, 20, 20, 20, 20. All my boxes are 20. I got mine on a 4. That's personally what I use, but I haven't been using a lot of the other ones. I've tested on all of those ones I posted, but that's just kind of the way you got to use it. But it's just preference of how you like to trade. Are you a scalper? Do you like to hold long term? You just want to take profits quick? Yeah, look at that's basically how I look at it. Just how are you going to trade it? What's your trading style? It's like Killer. I'm sure he'll post what he thinks. What his settings are, what he uses, because the multiplier guys can really change it from quick to slow, and that's what you got to use it with is quick to slow. Because if you don't, you put it on a 1 minute time frame on a multiplier of 1, man, you're going to see probably 300 trades a day, and you're never going to be able to make money with it. It just goes back and forth, and I can't do that. I like something slower. Like this 15-minute I really like, but you got to be up early to catch this. Now, maybe a 10-minute would even be better than the 15 because it's scaling it down a little bit more. The 5 minutes done fine right here. It's just all the stupid pullbacks this morning. That's right, T.O. You can have it. You can set up however you want to. Now, if you want to use what I use a 4 multiplier. All my boxes are at 20. on the 15-minute and the 5-minute, and also the 32 and 2 Rincos. But see, the thing is, if you're learning trading or struggling in trading, you don't really have a style yet. So you really don't know where you're at. You're kind of like stuck in the middle. So this is where this comes into help. Like if you say, well, I'll put it on a 4 and 20, leave it there on a 32 Ninja Rinko, you know, and it starts making that good money. Because this right here, guys, is a really good one. This is a good setting. I like this one over here. I like the 32 and 2. It seems like it does really good there on some of these really good. It seems like it locks in really good money. No, I'm not pointing at you, Dragon. I'm just pointing at everybody. Like I'm telling everybody, this is how you use it. So, I mean, it's just, you know, if you're struggling using it or you can't figure out how to use it, guys, I mean, we've got all these, you know, we can do classes next week or whatever. Steve has been up all night long, him and Papa. Papa's getting ready to post a bunch of stuff in the Discord for you. So, and anybody who wants to post something in the Discord that you found out, please post it. We want you to post it.
Yeah, whatever anybody puts in the Discord, I'm going to add to our Intercom help site, and I'll keep posting that as well.
That's awesome right there, man, killer. I mean, gee whiz.
Yeah, he beat the hell out of it last night. He came up with a lot of things.
Killer, man, that was really good. You got to post this stuff for me to see, bro, what you come up with. Because that is some good stats right there, man. That's what I'm talking about. It's going to be fun, man. It is. It's going to be a lot of fun. Because the more we figure out stuff, guys, the more we share with each other. We all have the same goal. We want to be day traders. So, Kimmery?
Oh, I just been busy with work and things. But I was just thinking of one thing I saw in another Discord. Mm-hmm. In Discord, there's somehow you can create a forum, and I was thinking maybe we could arrange that so we, for each instrument, for example, for crude, for ES, for NQ, and then you kind of keep the discussions about specific instruments separate, instead of everything is just pouring in one place and nobody knows what's up and down. And in this way, it's a little bit more organized, and when you have a setting that that works very good, then I think we should have another channel where we post templates.
Yeah, sounds fine to me.
I don't know, Big Puppet. Do you know about that one?
The Discord?
Yeah, there's a function called forum. I can send you a screenshot from another Discord you can see, and then I don't know if you can figure out how it's done.
Yeah, I can get. That would be work. Yeah, are you talking about for the AI?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, do that. I mean, get with Papa and send him to him. He can figure it out, I'm sure.
Because it works very well in this other Discord I'm also in. And it's just to keep things organized, and when people work together on things, it's a good way, to focus in on one. Well, here we're looking at micro NQ, and this is a setting for it, and so on. Because when everything is just in one go, it's a bit of a mess, and it's gonna be even worse once this takes off.
I like that, because we can have, hey, this is the ES forum, and these are the settings for the ES. This is the NQ forum. These are the settings for the NQ. I like that.
I can show you. I just sent you a screenshot of that one. You can see. I also sent to Big Papa.
When you get time tonight or Sunday or whatever, I got that file to update for these contracts to stop.
Okay.
You sent it to me.
Whenever we can do it, whenever you want.
Okay.
After hours, or if you want to do it during lunchtime or whatever.
Yeah, I'll get with you. Depends on how my day goes. it's crazy, as you notice.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll get with you. We'll finish it. Like I told him, we'll have it out by Sunday for sure. But yeah, so I got the file, though. He sent it to me. You just got to encrypt it and all that and add it to it.
Cool.
But that forum thing's a great idea.
Did you see the screenshot I sent?
I think I just got it. I think it just popped up over here.
Yeah, I've seen it before. The last 2 days obviously have been crazy. So over the weekend, I'll clean the entire Discord up.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Because then you can tag it, with different, also with different settings and instruments and whatever. It's a little bit more organized. Like you see this one here is that one I sent you is with different.
Yeah, I see that.
It's a different instrument, but also different settings. But it's a really good way to keep communication going.
Exactly. I really think this is cool, man. That's a good idea. A really good idea. Because that way they can stay what they like to trade. They can be in that forum and see the settings of the forum. They can see all the stuff that goes with it. It keeps it simplified. Besides, everyone just posting in one channel, and we don't know what people, and they get confused on what channel to be in.
Yeah, and then if we have this one channel where we just post tested templates, maybe it should be a managed one. So whenever somebody have something they think they work, then maybe we can do some quality check, and then we post a template in that channel, and then people can go and find it. Because we might also want to filter somebody who's maybe curve fitting, for a short period of time, and that can be very dangerous because suddenly the market won't react like that, and then it's going to go nuclear on you,
right?
And so just to have a sanity check on what we give up, and but everyone who posts in, we give them credit for participating and so on. I think that will be a good idea.
It's a great idea. Definitely a good idea. Do you understand what he's talking about, Pop? I know you do.
Oh yeah, I've seen it before.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's been overwhelming. Steve will tell you. Yesterday and today have been really great. I think we're up to like 41 or 42 right now.
Yep.
So, but like I said, on the downtime, I'll get everything organized.
Yeah. And see, we got about over half our room guys has this thing. So we're encouraging everybody to get it so we can all be on the same page here with the AI. Because once we get to a certain point, guys, we won't be streaming the AI every day. Because it won't be fair to the guys who pay for it. So we'd like to get everybody to get it so we can all be one big giant AI room. It'd be great. I can't believe if everybody had it like together, man, we would have a blast with this thing. You get 80 people with this thing, and all 80 people combined, everybody looking at it, trying different settings, and even if you're new, it's really a good community thing. So when we get this other stuff built, like Kimmy was talking about, guys, we could go a long way with this. This thing could have a lot of potential. And look at some of these guys have had this thing a day, Kimry, and they're making massive profits with it already.
That's great. So, the more we get on it, and the better. you know, the more we can get to succeed, you know, the more this will also get traction. So
You can drag it. I did it good. The first hour he passed his eval. Gee whiz. But this will help you guys if you become a funded trader, man. And you can be patient and disciplined. This is going to teach you discipline. Just take the money, take the money, take the money. Every time that thing runs up to $1,000, you take it 3 or 4 times a day, your funded account, you're going to be set. You're going to be set.
But remember to start smaller when you start up until you have some buffer.
That's right. Start small, one contract, $500 a day, whatever. Get that buffer going. Get that account built. Long term. Longevity is a good thing, man. But this what I think Kimmery, and I think Papa knows and Steve, because they've been doing back tests all night. But if you stay with this and did it the right way and just take profits all the time, I think you'd be fine in this. As long as you just lock in profits and go and just turn it off. Lock in profits, go away. Lock in profits, go away. You know?
Yeah. I'm probably going to expand on it too, where we go and look at portfolios where we, you know, because NQ is not going to be up every day, but if you combine it, you know, with oil, with gold, silver, non-correlated other instruments, you can compensate for that. And, you know, I have ways to test and see how they will work together. And once we get a good setting for all the different instruments, you know, I'm going to run a portfolio test on it. And then we can see how they go together. And then, you know, it can be almost hands off when we get if we get the contracts settings going, and maybe also some time slots and, you know, a few other things. Then it's going to be killer.
I think so too. I think with the way we're going to be doing this in the future, man, with all the updates and stuff we can do to this, I think if, you know, you learn it at the ground level now, man, you got it made when we get everything done on it. You know what I mean? This is really going to be awesome. And people are going to make money with this thing. I really do think so. So it's just all about the teaching and all about us just making it right for people. You know, and we're putting out everything we can possibly think of. And it's up to the community also, that if people come across stuff and they find out different settings, please share them, guys. We want you to share that with us.
Yeah, and share your success, you know. Well, also if you get burned, you know, because then maybe we can help you see what went wrong.
Exactly. We definitely want you to share all your success or your failure, so we'll know, you know. It's the way we're going to have to do it. But I think, man, we've got a really cool thing. I'm really loving it. I'm loving it that everybody likes it. And it's going to be awesome. So I'll go over and make this one over here, too. I'm trying to make something right now. What the hell is this thing that's in? That's fine. Forget my friend.
She's talking.
I don't know who that is. I ain't answering that shit. My phone's going off. I have no idea who it is. I'm sure it's a scam. All right. So let's see what we got over here, guys. Yeah, I'll get with you, Kimmery, on that. Are you there, Kimmery?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. So I'll definitely get with you on that file later today. We'll see what we can do with it. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. My phone's ringing. Okay, so we're going to try to move. I guess I'm going to try to move this one over real fast because oil's just kind of stuck anyway. So we don't need a big oil chart because oil don't really move like crazy. You know what I mean? I'll just kind of move this RTY over a little bit right here. Just like that. So we got RTY there, and we'll slip this one right here between them. We're going to slip her right in here, guys. All right. There we go. There we go. So that's silver. The silver's crazy, Jeffrey. The silver chart. We might have to change the settings on the silver. I got it on the 32s, but it might need to be set. I know we might have to set this at a different one because sometimes this thing can be really testy sometimes. I'm just kind of wondering if we can I'm thinking this is fine. I just think that the data series on it might be a little bit, this right here, it might be a little much for it. I think we're going to go Heikin-Ashi on this one, at least on the 10. And we need to go 30 days. Guys, if you're going to use these Heikin-Ashi candles on stuff, make sure you put 30 days, not 5. Because you need 30 days. There, see, there's that buy on silver right there. And that's what I like about, see there's that short I wanted, and there's that buy I wanted. And so this is good right here on the silver. Right there, cool. Remember, though, if you're playing with silver, guys, you've got to really watch what you're doing because silver will beat you up. It's a massive money maker, but it's also a massive money taker. Just letting you know now. I don't suggest. Now, silver is slow. It's slow like the ES. So if you can catch it on a good buy, but as soon as what the key to silver is, guys, is to not really ride a trade in it. The key to silver is to take a buy at the 545 right here and run this up, this second candle right here, or just take the first candle up and make 1,000 in it and get out. That's how I trade silver. I just take that full trade and go. Silver's not one of these things that will hold a long time unless it really gets in a good trend. See, it's just kind of up and back and forth and all that. So I like to take my silver trades. If I can, right here, I like to just take this silver trade and be done. This silver trade right here is thousands. I mean, thousands of dollars. Even with one contract, it's a lot. But you really got to be careful trading this. This is for people that really, really watch their trading because this thing right here will beat the crap out of you. I'm just warning you now. But it is a good one to trade. But, hey.
Yeah, silver's pricing is based off of 0.005, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like $20 a tick, man. This thing will kill you. But it also can make you a bunch of money. Like at the open of at the gold open at 830, 820. Usually these two will correlate, gold and silver. So you can kind of watch it. I'll put it over here, right beside the gold chart. And if you watch it in the mornings, sometimes they like to correlate with each other a lot. So let's put it right there.
Did you add copper too?
Yeah, I'm going to put copper right here between these two. One of my other favorites. I love the trade.
What about cattle?
Yeah. I told that guy in Oklahoma, the cattle trader guy. He's like, what? He said, I think I'm going to have to get your AI just to trade cattle for my cattle farmers. I'm like, yeah, they can buy cows. HG, I think, is it? Yeah, HG. We're going to do the same thing on this. So we're going to go to the 10-minute chart on the copper. 30 days. I like that one too. Let's go over here and grab this. Let's see over here and go back to there. I think copper's like 4.5 or something. Yeah, there it is, 4.5. Really? Or London. Oh. Okay, so got that. We'll add this. Need a price line on here. Okay, yeah, I put a price line on there, didn't I? So, yeah, be good. So you have a price line here and that. I guess we'll add the price line here. Get that done. Buy there. Yeah, I'm glad the strategy to it. With those stinks there, guys, and then we'll find here. So, okay, here we go. Here's our copper chart. So we'll have to move this over, guys. So let's take the ES and kind of move it over here because it's kind of, I don't know, I kind of like it a little bigger than that, but with the YM. Move it kind of down some here. Gotta put this, I don't know, I think I'm just going to move this over. I think I'm going to move this over here. Then I can kind of structure this into here. Then I can move this over. I can also move this over, I think, a little bit there. That's not going to hurt that to be moved over. You know what I mean? Might fix them over the weekend again, but it is what it is for now. But there you go, guys. So now you have the copper on here. You can see copper working pretty well off the buy there. That's a pretty good buy on copper. It's a nice little deal there. And we want to make sure we see all of these. So, yeah, so now we know that we got them all on here. So that has to go just like that. And we really don't have to have them that big because we can see it. I like to have it. I'm probably going to take out this box right here. This is my Ninja right here. Get that out of there. Don't really need it. All right, guys. So this is kind of where we're at on this. I'm going to get all these straight, clean them up a little bit here. Try to get them all level. There. I think Kimry's got his mic on. Getting feedback, Kimry. There you go. Yeah, so Papa, he'll get that idea with you, man. I think that'd be great, man. A forum for each one of the instruments. What do you think?
Yeah, no. Like I said, it's a little overwhelming, so I'll get to it.
Yeah, I hear you, bro. Well, guys, what are we going to get? Oh, I guess we can't. We can't really see the full price, can we? That's going to suck, I think.
We also need some currencies, no?
Yeah, I don't have enough space, I don't think, for currencies.
You need a bigger screen.
I know it. I'm on a 90-inch now. See, this thing has to go out. Why is my boxes not coming out now? What the hell happened here? That's weird. There we go. I want this out further. There. There. That's what I wanted right there. To be able to see the... There. That's better. It's like, what the crap is that? You know? There we go, guys. Still ain't perfect, but you can see it now. There. That'll work. Of course, you really can't see the contract size in it now, though. We don't really care about the date. We can't see the over there either. There. Now we can. Okay. That'll be good for now, I guess. There, because you actually got, I could slide this over to here. Slide the Ninja Trader thing to there. Then slide this over here. Well, that just makes those all bigger. What the hell? Oh my God, what a mess, dude. Oh shit. That just messes that all up. You know what I mean? Gotta get it smaller. There we go. That's stupid. It's stupid.
Yeah, that thing annoyed the hell out of me last night.
Yeah, I just don't like that. You know, it's like, what the hell? But all I want us to do is just show this, the Unreal and Real over here, so you can actually see what you're doing here. Because I don't worry about the time frame or the date. But that right there will work for us for now. That's good. It's back where it was. Alrighty, guys. So we're just kind of messing around this market. This market's sad. We're doing this mess around the 76 again and trying to get on the 76 and trying to hold that. And they're trying to not to go to the 290 on us, and we're trying to get above the 76 again, back to the bull line, and it's just a bunch of crap. This market's terrible today. There's money in it, but it's been terrible. It's better. Yeah, we'll drive you crazy, won't it? So there you go, guys. We got the copper, the silver. Of course, I can get rid of the couple of the NQs I've got. I need to get rid of the 15-minute. I want to keep it up there, but I don't really need it on. But I'm just going to leave it anyway. But I got 3 slots, 2 more slots I can put stuff in, like on these 2. But I kind of like having these up here with my NQ because I trade it more. And I guess I really could do this and just kind of reduce this one a little bit. To give these a little more room. Because I do like the oil. Like that. RTY, I think RTY has got a good spot on it. So I like this oil to come back like this. Like that. And the copper, and I like the ES. I probably would like to have the ES in place of here, but I don't really trade ES that much anyway. The YM, I really like it. I really should put it up maybe over here, like gold over here or something, but I'm just going to leave it like they are, not worry about it. Let's see, I think it's layer. But I mean, I think it's really kind of cool, guys, the way we got it set up. I can reduce my, NASDAQ charts, but I like having the NASDAQ charts bigger because, I could have on my other screens and just not even worry about having them on here, but then you guys wouldn't see them, It's good enough, though. We can see what we're doing. As long as we can see this, that's really all we need. That's what we just need, this. And then we need to go to our chart and go, okay, well, let's make it a big move. Like this. Like, for instance, this one. So we're saying, okay, it's making a big move. Let's take a line off this bottom candle right there. And let's go up through here and put it just like that. Right to where she's sitting. Right in that area. All right. So then we take another one right here. Boom. And we come across. And there you are. There's your wedge. You come right here. You're all that. There's your pullback. See that? You're perfectly set up for this one. But you got these two here you got to worry about, but it's not that big of a deal. But say if she pulls through here, she's going to come right here and she's right here. So what are we doing? So come here, grab this, take this. We're going to come right here to right here. Get this out of my way. Right there. Structured already. Bam. Steve. That's freaking hilarious, bro.
All the images.
Was that a big ass frog riding a rocket?
That Pepe frog dude. From this guy who's really, I don't know how he makes them, but he's in that options group. And he posts them in there and gives them to me like all the time. He was giving them to me all night last night. And that's where all of these came from. He gave me every one of them except for the oil picture.
Freaking hilarious, bro.
He was just like, I asked him, he said, just let him know like what other ones I wanted. And I said, oh, that's what I need. One of the frog like banking on oil.
Yeah, that's hilarious, man. Oh, come on, man. Get up there. There. Hey, every time I go to move this line, it just messes with me. Right there.
This is fun because it's, at least for me and hopefully for everyone else, it's showing me a whole bunch of different things that I can trade that I had never dreamed of touching before. And it's actually showing that they're fairly possibly safer and less volatile than what I have been trading.
Mm-hmm.
So that's, a plus to this.
Like oil and gold and copper. Yeah. The Like Kerry was just saying, the 6B, the ZNs, the ZWs, the ZS, all those are slow, man. You just sit in them and make money. But you're right, it does give you a lot. That's a good point, Steve.
Yeah, that's what I was noticing. Like last night, I was just like, I've never traded 6B. I've never traded 6E. I don't think I've traded ZB. And so I decided to put them on there. And so far, each trade I'm pretty sure has gone well. And they were really like slow. They didn't there's nothing where if someone gets nervous in a trade, those didn't I don't think they would have made you nervous.
Well, I was kind of wondering if I bought a projector, Steve, because my wall in my office, see, my TV's 100, right? But my wall in my office is about 140, 150.
You can put that upstairs.
I could put a projector on my wall, and I could put every screen. I mean, I could add 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5, 6, 7, 8 more screens.
If it's 130 to 150 inches, like the normal screen size.
Yeah.
I've got 8 windows on this, so you could have 16 to 24 windows on that.
Yeah, because my wall
is larger than what you got.
So I'm 6'1", and I think my ceiling's 12. So my wall is about a 12-foot wall, and it's about probably 25 to 30 feet long. That one wall.
Yeah, you got plenty of space.
Dude, I could move this table and TV out of the way and make that whole wall one screen. So I think that might work. Projector time.
And it definitely works. And your screens or your windows, you'll be able to have them. Like if you happen to be OCD like I am, they have to be the same size.
Yeah, I freak out about my size windows. It drives me crazy, man.
On that, you can get 16 to 24 on 130 to 150 inch.
Yeah, so I'm thinking too.
That's what I put when I did it. I'll have to send you another updated photo because I did it again, and I think it was like 16 or 20 different charts open.
I told you, Steve. He was going to say projector.
I think it'd work, man.
You did say that.
Well, if it's going to do it, I'll just, if it benefits us and benefits our room, heck yeah, man, I'll put that thing on there. Because I think it'd be awesome if we had, because I could add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23. I could probably add 25 screens a day on that wall just by looking at what I got now.
Yeah.
I know I can double it easily. I can have at least 24. I can double what we have up now at least.
Yeah, I know if I could get 16 and 29, the same size I'm using now, you definitely got it.
Oh, yeah. I think it'd be awesome.
The screen I'm using is smaller than the entire wall that you just described. So I think what is mine? Mine might be 135 or 150 inch. I can't remember.
Yeah, because I'm going to show you a picture of this. Like, see if I can take this and show. Yeah, because we get a lot of wasted space in that wall. We're wasting 6, 8, 10, probably. We're wasting about probably 8 feet on one side, the top side about another 4 feet, and the bottom about 3. So yeah, we're wasting a lot of space on this with just this one screen up here. So I'm wondering which one I should get to do it with. And they're not that much.
Yeah, you'll just want one that's. Well, if you've got the main thing you're going to want is the brightness lumens and then the resolution.
Yeah.
You don't necessarily need a screen depending on the wall, but you might want one with. There's different. I can tell you all this stuff for it, different gain settings and all that.
Yeah, because my wall's solid white.
Yeah,
so it should work.
The wall is solid white and it's relatively flat, like doesn't have a bunch of like ripples in it, then it should be fine.
Yeah, it has like the thing from the drywall's got some stuff, like the way it was designed.
And you can always, if you start without it and then you decide that you would like it later, it's not like you can't get the screen later.
Yeah, or just go buy the white paper and paper the whole white wall. Cover it.
Yeah, you can do that, or get the if you are just going to stick you can get the screen material fairly expensive and just stick that on the wall.
That's what I was thinking. Just buy the screen material and hang it on the wall. It'd be awesome. That'd be kind of cool, man. It's something I'll look into over the weekend. As we come down to 290, because that's where we're going. We're just trying to get 290, guys. I don't know who they're trying to fool, but they ain't gonna fool us because we're trying to get to here. 295. 295 and 290. That's exactly where we're trying to go. Oh, well, they just don't go ahead and punch it down there and get it over with because it's right here. This is our box down here. Right there. Off that red line. Watch them take all day, Steve, to get down here. Let's see the 5-minute sell. Boom. Sell. They pulled back. They sold again. Now they're trying to get down to the 290 to be our friend. And we're $3,000 up on a short. Maybe else killing these shorts with this AI? Anybody in the short with the AI? Take some money off of it? Let us know, man. That 15-minute trade over there on the Hikinashi AI. That's massive. 409. All the way down.
Can you add that trading view ID when you get a sec?
Oh, yeah, I can.
And a matter of fact, at some point soon, we're going to automate that.
Yeah, we forgot to do that, remember?
Yeah, because I can't keep bugging you. You're too busy.
Yeah, it's all right, brother. We will get it done together, man. See if I can go in and find this thing. There it is. Hello. We also have to go back here and clean this thing up because I think there's a lot of people still on there. And I don't know if they've canceled or nobody ever tells me if they canceled. Then they call me and go, or they text me a month later and go, hey, I'm not on there anymore. Why am I being charged? Well, I didn't know you was even on there in the first place because, you joined 7 months ago.
Yeah, I've been pretty diligent keeping up with it and having you remove what needs to be removed. I'll check the upgrade.net one, though.
Okay, yep, okay, he's good. I had you. Yeah, this one's not there anymore. this was not there anymore. Oh, I think I might have got rid of somebody by accident there. So they'll let me know if I did, because I think I just clicked the wrong dude. I gotta sign him back though. Alrighty, guys. Yep, holding that NQ short, man. That's the way to do it right there. Good job. All right, if you're watching this film, that's great. Watch and learn, guys. It's the way to do it. Watch how it reacts to these trades. That hole's still going. 81.51. Hole's a good smooth trade right here, man. That hole is smooth. Look at this. How smooth that is. Come on, let's go 290. Quit messing around here, guys. 295, 290. That's our goal. Just kind of wondering, man, if they're going to try to take to the market makers. You know, we got down to 182, so 89, 90. 90 is the market makers. 90 even. 0.90. That's where the market makers are sitting on the below side down there. Where do I find this? I do believe you find that under your help, right? About?
Yeah, help about. Oh, yeah, that's my form. So it's help about. Put the machine ID in there and your Bull GM Discord name.
The reason we're holding here at 326, guys, we're trying to break the C pattern because we know this is a shark pattern coming down through here off the X move, off the top of this right here. So X sits right here. Okay. B sits on the pullback right here. The C is down here, right where you're sitting at, and D's up there. So, just letting you know. If that means anything, people are like, what the hell are you talking about? But that is what it is. It's a shark pattern. It's an XABCD shark pattern. And we're sitting here to push the line off the A pattern, because A comes down to the bottom. A and C are together right here. A's at 35 or 38, and C's at like 30. So there's like a difference right there. You see how we're getting back into the A right there. A's right there. Right there at 42. So your A's sitting at 42. So they'll bounce either 42 and bounce it back down because A pattern is sitting there. It's kind of sitting right here on this candle. Right there. Your A is. A sitting there and C sitting here. So you got A, C, and A, X, and B, and D. So it's kind of weird. See, I think you would like to look at the upside of this. If you want to do it on the upside, guys, over here on this one, like right here, you can take this here, this line right there. That's X. It is. That's X. It comes down. And then you come down to this area. Right in here. Well, actually, we should take this like this, because it's going to be stupid if we don't. And then this kind of comes out to right there. And then this one comes back to here. This one comes back to there. So see, guys, X, A, B, and C. You see that? We have to break what? We have to push the C pattern out of the way. Right there. There's your bottom wedge. Easier to do on the 5 minute than the 15. You can do it on 15, but I like doing it on the 5 because it's just makes it easier to explain. If you guys want to see the real technical side of that, you would take this line here to right about there. Oops, it's right there. Right there. And that would be your friend, the D pattern. So C, X, A, B, C, T. Now, what are we looking for? Why are we drawing this? So, put you a Fibonacci right here, guys, on this line, and run it up to this area right here, okay? If someone wants to try it, you can. Steve, I know you'll probably try it. So, or Papa. Put your Fibonacci 0 here, up to like however far it goes, 200, whatever, right? And where is your 38% 61 at? And let me know what you see. Right? So I'm going to use a Fibonacci retracement. If I can get mine to work. Otherwise, it's being crazy, but it is. I can't seem to get mine on the damn candle over here, but it's, I don't want to go this way. I want to go that way. There we go. Finally. Jeez. Give a break, man. So it looks like if I come down right off the bottom of this candle right there, and I'm going to see my retracement level is about 67. Which is near somewhere.
Hey, how's it going, Mike?
It's going. How you doing?
Pretty good. How's day 2 of Algo Live? How's day 2 of the release?
Good. It's really good.
Getting good feedback, I assume.
Oh yeah, getting a lot of good feedback. People are learning how to use it. Papa and Steve were up pretty much all night last night. So So doing all kinds of different things with it, and Papa's adding all kinds of different things in the room for people to use and see and go over, and we're making just a lot of good feedback. And we're going to build rooms so they can have it to use for feedback. And things that we all find a difference. Killer's really been using it. Man, he's really been killing it with it. The Killer. K Killer has been doing well with it. But a lot of guys have done well. A lot of guys have took, some good trades off of this morning.
Yeah, I was running it, but I wasn't paying attention to it, and I looked back and it was up like 7K or something. What's the so there's no limit on the contracts right now at all? I'm trying to figure out how it scales in and out.
But we got the files now. We got the update file. So we're doing that today or tomorrow. Get that file done. So by Sunday, all the files will be out. The new update will be out for everybody because he sent it to me.
Nice.
So we're going to just code it and put it back in and let everybody have it. So that way, by Sunday night's open, everybody will have the new file, and you don't have to worry about the contract settings no more. It'll change all that. So we got to where he's got it. We're now on the file. He said, well, I can take one now and leave it, or take two and leave it. It won't change anymore. That's perfect. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that'd be cool. I mean, I don't mind making more money, but it does make me nervous when it goes up.
Me too.
6, 7, 8 contracts by itself.
Well, yeah, that makes me nervous too, bro. So that's why I told him we got to change that. He said, oh, that's no problem. He said, I'll fix that right now. So he went and fixed it.
Awesome.
So it'll be where you put the contract in now and it'll stay there. If you put one in it, it'll stay at 1. Then when it cuts it off, it'll go back to 1. Like it'll go 1 short, 1 long, 1 short, 1 long. It won't jump around and add or anything, which is good for us.
Yeah, that's cool.
We're still waiting for this thing to come to 290, Josh. 290, 295. That's where they're trying to go with us. They're just stuck right now at the C pattern on the sharp side.
Yeah, just eyeing a short right here.
Josh, do you see Steve's big frog there? Right.
I see what you've been working on, Steve, all night.
It's hilarious.
Different backgrounds.
Oh, mercy.
I can't tell. Is that Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles or is that
Pepe the Frog.
just
Put
general?
Superman on there.
With some Pepe coin.
Pepe, right.
Yeah, I've got Pepe coin, and it went down in that plunge last night. I lost a whole $6. If people would like to buy it and bring it back up, I can't take the $6.
Hey, Josh, it'd be kind of good to get with Myth and have Myth do a Blue Sky, the little comic book dude we're talking about. Have him put him on that chart.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
That'd be cool. I'll put them on here.
We could have a whole.
That would be awesome.
Backgrounds.
Have our own Blue Sky backgrounds. We could.
Yeah, we should do that. We could do that.
So, Josh, I'm thinking about, since I got space on this TV, like I was telling Steve, I have a wall here that's probably 130 by 12 foot. Well, it's 12 foot high and about 130 feet wide. I could get a projector and probably project my screens and have a lot more screens on this thing.
Did you say 130 feet wide?
Well, my TV's 90, and I got another 2 feet going the other way, and I got 6 feet going the other side. So I'm missing about 8. I got about 20-foot wall.
120.
And it's 120 inches.
Yeah.
And then I got it's about 12 foot high. So into my office. Yeah.
Yeah. Projectors are pretty nice.
So I think a projector.
Light.
Yeah. We could really have all the screens up there. It would really look really cool.
As long as you don't have seizures in there with all those screens.
No, I'd already tested. I turned that flashing light on that Raj ordered.
All right.
Like the disco light. Looks like we're having a disco dance in here at night. I asked the Raj, get in front of the picture. I'm going to post you, baby. He's laughing at me. I'm like, oh my God. Because all these lights on, it had that big disco light looking thing you bought in here. That one is the can light thing that flashes. I'm like, yeah, man, it looks like.
Connect those, make a Ninja Trader plugin so they go off at certain times.
Yeah. I said, don't look like we're having a trade room at all. It looks like we're building a film set. Yeah, come Monday, guys. We'll do that thing on Monday too, Josh. Launch that thing on Monday. I think it'd be cool.
Yeah, that will be.
I'm
We should
ready.
get together over the weekend and just do a dry run.
Yeah, you want to do it like Sunday weekend, Sunday night.
Okay.
That would give you time with your family and stuff. And Sunday night around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock or something.
Sure.
You just do a dry run of it and see what happens. Because at 6 o'clock the file's going to be, we'll have all the file done and stuff this weekend for them to have, and so no more contract problems, and then we should be good. But I mean, I'm looking at the like Steve was saying earlier. This gives you an opportunity, Josh. Like you go to 6A and 6B on the 6A, 6B, ZN, ZW, ZS, all slow moving charts. Man, this thing just takes those trades and just stays in them, and they're small little trades.
You said ZB?
Yeah, like ZB,
Yeah.
ZN, 6A, 6B. You want to test those and check them out because they're beautiful. I mean, they're just,
Yeah, pulling it up now.
yeah, it's the Australian and all that.
What Renko setting are you using on that?
On those, I think we've been running the same. What was we running on those guys? I can't remember. I think it wasn't a 32. I think it was the same as the ES. I think it was the 8. Was it the 8 and 2s, 8 and 4s? I tried first, Josh, in the 32 and 2. And if they don't work on that, I'd just go back and try the 20/5, or I'd run them on the 8 and 4, 8 and 2s.
Seems like the movement doesn't work.
'Cause they are
for
slow.
32. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because I got the ES on 8 and 4, it does fine.
All right, I'll try.
So I'm thinking 8 and 4, maybe 12 and 4. You can even run 12 and 4 also. Because I got copper up right now, which is HG, and I got silver up, SI. Those are good ones too. Copper's really cool, but you can catch copper with gold, because copper, gold, and silver correlate a lot, especially around 8 o'clock in the morning, between 7:30 and 9, and then between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. So if you're trading a London trade, guys, you gotta watch gold, copper, and silver in London's. Because usually whatever the NQ is doing in the market, they're doing the opposite in London. And sometimes it correlates perfect, so you'll catch a big move on the NQ going up in London, but your copper and silver will be absolutely tanking. It's like a SpongeBob chart. The charts are hilarious, man. You gotta get a Trade Terminator chart, Steve. Our
I
logo.
have the Trade Terminator guy on it. But I guess I needed like a higher resolution that can be fit to.
Yeah.
Because when I did it, it just like made it in the center of the screen and it left like
Yeah.
a black area around it.
Have that in the blue sky one too. Like have a blue sky chart. I think it'd be cool.
If I've got all I need is I think it's just PNGs. Is all that it uses. That and JPEGs.
Josh, I guess we'll have to make little animated characters for all of us on our charts. Yeah. Oh, it's hilarious. I'm not sure if the AI work on mobile or not. I've never tried it, Dragon.
Not for NinjaTrader.
I don't think it will. Yeah.
If you use a remote desktop situation, you could get it to work and then
Yeah.
access it from your phone.
Do you guys see on the 5-minute chart? Do y'all see the pattern I drew? The W? back to D, up top. You notice that? See how you got X right here? This is X. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is D, right? So if the Bears can't make this move, these guys know this is here. So they're thinking, okay, if they come down and fail, it's going to just take off and go straight down to 90, 290, 95, where we want to be, right here in this area. But if they can make it work and the Bulls can recover this, they'll run it to here first, they'll break the top of this and get going. And that's what they're trying to do. So it just depends on what we're looking at, what they're going to do with this thing. Because right now we're about, 14.5 retracement on it. So we had to come up to at least a 67. So I'm just waiting to see what she does here. But it is making money. Can the Bulls hold this, though, is the question, because you've got a lot of, this is an area where, right, especially this 45, 46 area, this little box I drew right there on the 5 minute, that's the place where everybody wants to dump back down. That's the rejection area at 45, 47. So if it's going to reject, it'll reject right there and come right back down where she started from. Right back down to 35, 38, then try to come back down, right back down to I guess where is it? Right. Let's see, it's right here. Yeah, it's like 19, below the 19. So it just has to stay up there and get past this 46, 47 area for it to start getting valid. 45 is the key, but you're going to test 45, and they might test this 45 a few times. Like it might reject, go down, reject, go down. Then finally, if the Bulls want it, they'll take it and move it up. But it's just a mess right now. Because right now our target's 70, it's like 71. It's like right here. It's like right there. Actually, it's not. It's about right there. Oh, can't get to go to right there. About 75. 75, 76, if they can actually make this thing work. If not, rejection, come back down to the 19. Start trying to get into 35. 35 to 19. Then 19 down. And keep going. Because it's got a target already on it, guys. It has the end target comes all the way down to 92. 92, 91. And we got ours at the 90s, so we're just going to see if they finish out the bottom. A lot of times these Bears will play here until they actually get the momentum they want, and then boom, they'll hit our target like they normally do. But when they get this close to a target, you pretty much know they want that 290 on their day. So we'll have to just wait and see what they do. Let's roll. This market is going to be a pain. You're going to feel some pain right here because we're sideways right here, guys, and we're just not moving until these Bears either break this low. The Bears need to come down here, and they need to structure above under 30. They got to go 30 to 16, 16 to the 8, 308. If you don't break 308, it's not happening. You will stay between 308 and 345. So 308 to 345 is that area that they're playing in right now. And that's the reason they're doing it, is because of what they're trying to accomplish. So you got the 45 right here, okay? And this comes down to right here. Right there. So if you take this 308 box and you run it across here, right there, it's overlapping the areas where they want to go. See, retail thinks that this is going to be, a down, but see, we're already in the short. So what are we doing in the short, guys? What's the big money doing right here? Big money's already in this short, right? They didn't sell. They didn't cancel these trades until it hits this line right here. So they're still in the short. So they scaled out down here. They scaled out the 300 contracts to about 100 or maybe 50 now. So they're waiting for it to break this 8 to go down to our 290 to make their profits and close the trade, or down further. Or they're waiting for it to break up through here or capture this 51, because they know if the bulls get back up up here to the 66, 67, it's going to get dangerous on them. Right up in here, about this 68 right there. At that 67 level is dangerous for the bears. So they'll be watching that 67 and the 74 right here, because they know if it breaks it and taps this, it might reject. But if it breaks this, they'll definitely close it. For the ones that want to close, most of them will close right here. But for the big boys, they'll probably close here, because they already got all this money out of it anyway. So they just come down here and set a trade stop right here or here and say, okay, well, if it comes up here, we'll get out because we've already made millions down here. So we'll wait and see what happens over here now. If you make $300,000 or $400,000 to here, and you're just waiting for it to break to add more. So that's what they're doing. They're just going to wait to see if it'll break to 7. When a market's sideways, people are silently entering and exiting, scaling out, scaling in. This is contraction. This is liquidation up here. You can see it. See this? Right there's your contraction off the bull move. Contraction comes into liquidation, which comes back to where? Expansion, right here. So here's contraction, liquidation, expansion, trend liquidation. So this set the trend right here. This candle sets that trend liquidation candle for the bears to capitalize to their targets. So if it comes down here and gets the target, you might see it come down even further. I mean, it could come down to 214 down here. Because or 236 would be kind of cool too. So we could go 36, 214, either one. Or we could come to 290, 295, 290 area, right over here on this one. Because actually this right here, guys, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This level right here that comes here. It comes to right. Let's see, it's 90. It's like right there. So it's 90, 95 right here. Either one of those two. And that's where we could see that big bounce right there. You could see a massive bounce off of that bottom. Now, I think they might try to get through it a little bit, but we'll see. Because 95 is the first target. 90 is the second. 36 is the third, and 14 is the fourth. So we just wait and see what happens. Now we push to 90. Finally. Let's start pushing down through here. This is why I like to have my 5-minute, guys, beside my chart in my 15, because I like to draw. I like to draw what I'm doing. You know, like to see what the market's going to do based on, your, your analytics, your structure, based on what this thing's doing on structure. Because I'm a very, very structural trader. I trade off structure a lot. And there it is. Right down to our 92, 90 level right there. Bam. It's just amazing. Now, we have a marker right there at that 92. So I'm wondering if we are going to kick this back to 95 and try to push it back up. Because if we get a bounce, it'll be right here. If you don't get the bounce, it's going to come lower. Now, a lot of times the banks will love to come a little lower and then come back. And that little lower target that I'm looking for is where? Right about probably either somewhere around the 88 marker or maybe the 75, 74. We picked the target this morning, guys, 9 o'clock, and we are there. This is the target we put on the chart hours ago. It just takes a while to get there. So now we'll wait and see what these bulls are going to do. If they just want to let the bears bring it back a little bit, fake people out, and take it right back down. Because a lot of this right here was just a big fake out to see if they can sucker people to go long. You like that happy? It's awesome, isn't it? And see, while you guys got this, though, and are using this with me, I'm going to always draw stuff on here for us. Because I want you to see what I see. Because it helps us. It helps us manage our trades. We know where the target's at. We can take money here. We can scale out here. If you got 3 contracts, go to 1, right? If you got 10, go to 1. Because you've already baked the profits. This is a profit level right here for all the market. So this is where they really take a lot of profits out right here. Because they know if they get pulled back, where's it going to go, guys, on the pullback? It's going to go exactly to 308, just like we came out of. It's going to go right here, 308, 307. And the bears will try to go to 307, 308 to sucker people, to get them to think it's going to go long and go right there, reject, and come right back down again. Because that's what the games they like to play. Now, some of these guys will take that 95, 90 long to 308 because